It is time to go in the snow. Cold, cold, cold?
Yeah, because you can't put it on.
Aren't you bringing your baby, Mama?
Yes, I gotta get her.
Okay.
Okay, that's the opposite hand. Where's your gloves?
You didn't get mine because you forgot about your wedding.
Okay, he's getting his stuff on. And we gotta get Miss Ruby out. She's gonna go on her first snow ride with the kids. Here, here's your glove.
I can't put it on.
Get your hand in there. You need to wear this. Your hair's getting wet.
Look.
I don't want your hair getting wet.
I need it to be wet. I can't. Mister.
Get your thumb in there. I don't want your hair to be wet. Here's your gloves. Yeah, cold. Put your gloves on. Have Dad help you. Here's the other one. What are you trying to do?
Get my jacket on.
There, that. Oh, your jacket. Okay. Yeah. Well, you're going through two jackets, it looks like.
I did it.
Yeah, we linked it together. Okay, there we go.
You should have put your gloves on
Second.
after, I think.
Why don't you take the glove off? So it's easy for you to walk.
Where's my other glove? Right.
We're just running on the ice.
It's fun.
That's like totally safe. Yeah. And you didn't go at the hotel.
Get you out, sissy. Come here. Come here, Mama. Okay. Trying to. It's snowing.
Yeah? Is this gonna mess up the camera? What?
I hope not.
I mean, people go snow like camera.
Sorry about the craziness of this videoing, but we are going.
I just put it like this.
There you go.
And I have to put my gloves on.
I gotta get.
Uh-oh, and then, let's see.
Don't make stuff up, Sully. Don't make stuff up. I'm still snow in your face.
Whoa, there's a cliff there, dude.
I'm going to.
Hey, Val, you ready? Okay, hold on. I'm almost ready. I'll pull you.
Get the car keys.
Yeah.
Hey.
Got the car keys. Uh-oh, my jacket's breaking. That's not good.
Oh, Mom, we need to bring the bag with the...
With what?
You're going fishing now, boy.
sleds.
Oh, man.
Not going fishing on the
Let's just use this one, I guess. You want to try to get those out? Where are they?
What do you want?
The sleds. The sleds are in there, in that orange bag. Grab the orange bag. Grab the orange bag and just bring it.
Mom, I made a loop.
Yeah, I see.
Let's see how this camera works.
Yep, close it up.
We can put this in the sled.
What? Try my keys in here.
Come on, Sally. Sally, come on.
Okay.
So you found the hiding spot? Oh my gosh.
It's over there.
The truck coming. Come on, hurry up.
Daddy.
Come on, super snowy out here.
Whoa. Come on, let's go sit over here.
I'm not following you.
Elijah,
Okay. Is he okay? Are you okay,
I'm
buddy?
gonna check the bathrooms.
Everybody is having fun over here.
What's the matter?
Can you check the bathrooms?
What about it?
He
Well, I
needs-
see people going in.
or let's go down there.
Well, you gotta go to the bathroom?
He does.
Why? What you gotta do? You gotta pee or pee?
I don't know. You just have to go pee pee? Where's Junior?
Look, Mom.
Oh, I see.
Nice.
Go through here? Hey. Can you go through here? Go through here?
It's a little cold. I don't have my stuff on. Oh, there we go.
It's cold out here for her. But it's go down this sledding hill. Where is Junior? There he is.
Where are they going? Where are they going? Oh, the ice.
Yeah.
I don't know where it's like. Is it cloudy?
Yes.
I don't know, Rose. Look up.
Let's get a tube out and start blowing it up so we can slide down.
You're gonna go down there.
Up there.
Here, Violet.
Oh, up there. Oh, back here. Oh, everywhere.
She's gonna hold her for a minute. Just keep her little hood down. It's a little snowy out here.
Say bye.
Here, can I put your hood up? Because you're gonna get really wet.
No.
Please. Your hair's okay. Where's your gloves? You took them off? Oh, that's cute. It's really
Yeah, I don't know.
maybe we should just not blow them up. You want to blow it up?
You just said to.
Okay, what do you want to do? Because it looks like a blizzard's coming. So
Yeah.
we're going to make a quicker event of
Let's
this.
just not. Let's just use this one.
Let's go down with this sled. Because this is Ruby's first snow day on a sled with Violet and Azalea and Rose and Mommy and Daddy all going. We'll have to go down to the bottom. It's very... Wait, Rose, come here. What?
Oh, I get the light I got you.
Okay,
wait, I
how are we gonna go down?
We're going
Do you
down-
want to sit on it with them? Make sure they don't tip over, and I'll do the videoing.
No,
and then the
I don't have
kids
snow
can-
pants.
Well, if you sit in the back,
I can see them there.
okay. It's kind of
I need a mask. This is bad.
people
There's
are.
a ramp over there.
Where's the ramp?
It keeps going.
Okay. The snow's getting on her. Give her to me.
Sorry, bye.
The snow is getting really heavy here. So we are going to get you back inside. There we go. Who wants to go on the sled? Oh boy, it's a blizzard. Let's go down.
You can see the snow.
Take a picture of... Here, let me turn her face.
Oh wait, this one got us up.
Okay, Vi, can you get out? Vi, you need to put your hood on. You're gonna get frozen. You want to get frozen?
Oh, that looks cool. Oh, that's adorable. Look at the snow.
Yeah.
Well, Violet's going to have soaking wet hair. It's not good. And it's all in your hood.
This is getting in the bag.
You guys, Come on, we gotta go back.
What?
Oh, I see Dad and Elijah.
Or we should at least put our cameras back.
Jeez, and I can't.
Why?
I'm recording.
Right now still?
This is definitely candid. We were gonna do one down and then let's do one sled down. There's kind of bumps and stuff, so who's gonna go?
Me.
Okay, let Junior go. You wanna go with Violet? Violet, really wish you'd put your hood on.
Violet, do you want
It's
to?
full of snow, Junior. Get the snow out of it.
No, Junior. Zip up her jacket. Zip it up.
You need your hood, honey. It's starting to blizzard.
Violet.
Get your hood on.
Do you want to go? Here.
Get the snow out of her hood. Well, the weather's turning for the worse. We're gonna probably have to call it quits. Yep, I think we're gonna have to call it. Come on, let's go back to the car. It turned a little bad, so we're gonna have to call this it because it's just too snowy.